Experiencing a cold shower in your RV? Let's systematically diagnose your hot water heater problem. We'll start with the basics and work through common issues step by step. First, determine if you have a tank or tankless water heater. Tank heaters are more common in RVs and store hot water, while tankless heaters heat water on demand. This affects your troubleshooting approach. Start with the basics. Ensure the water heater is turned on and there's water in the tank. For propane heaters, check that your propane tank has fuel and the valve is open. For electric heaters, check your RV's electrical system. Look for tripped circuit breakers, blown fuses, and verify 12-volt power is reaching the water heater control board. If you have low hot water flow, check that your shower head isn't restricting flow. Air trapped in the lines is common. Run all faucets until water flows smoothly. Also inspect filter screens for clogs. If your water is only lukewarm, check the bypass valve position. This valve is used for winterizing your RV. In operating position, it should be closed so hot water flows through the heater. If open, cold water will mix with hot water. A multimeter is essential for electrical troubleshooting. Use it to test voltage at the heating element, check circuit continuity, and verify thermostat operation. This helps pinpoint electrical failures. Always prioritize safety when troubleshooting. Disconnect power and turn off gas supplies before beginning any repairs. For complex electrical or gas issues, consult a qualified RV technician. By following these systematic diagnostic steps, you can identify most common RV water heater problems and determine whether you can fix them yourself or need professional help. When your RV water heater isn't producing hot water, start by checking the electrical power supply. Ensure the heater is properly connected to a reliable power source. If the power supply is good, but there's still no hot water, test the heating element for continuity using a multimeter. A faulty heating element is a common cause of electric water heater failure. Check the eco switch, which is the energy cutoff safety feature. This switch trips when the tank overheats and must be manually reset before the water heater will function again. For propane water heaters, start by checking that 12 volts are reaching the gas valve and that it's properly grounded. A malfunctioning ignition system is often the culprit when there's no hot water. If the pilot light won't stay lit, the thermocouple may need attention. Ensure it's clean, properly positioned in the flame, and tightly connected. Look for obstructions in the burner assembly that could affect operation. Regular maintenance prevents many problems. Inspect and clean the anode rod annually to prevent tank corrosion. Flush the tank yearly to remove sediment buildup that reduces heating efficiency. Some issues require professional service. Call a technician if the propane flame isn't burning blue, when replacing 120-volt heating elements, or when dealing with gas valve replacement. Safety should always be your top priority.